The Maruti Suzuki Baleno has been one of India's most popular premium hatchbacks for years. With the facelift, Maruti has focused on giving it a sharper design, better technology, improved safety, and a more premium driving experience. But does it still dominate the segment? Let's find out. Exterior design. The facelift brings a fresh and more modern look. The front grille is wider, complemented by sleek LED projector headlamps and redesigned LED daytime running lights. The new alloy wheel design, sculpted bumpers, and updated rear LED tail lamps give the Baleno a sporty yet elegant appearance. It looks more premium than before without losing its familiar identity. Interior and features. Step inside and the cabin feels much more refined. The dashboard features a layered design with improved quality materials. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while the digital instrument cluster and head-up display add a premium touch. Automatic climate control, a 360-degree camera, rear AC vents, push-button start, and connected car technology make the Baleno one of the most feature-rich hatchbacks in its class. Engine and performance. The Baleno facelift is powered by a 1.2-liter K-Series dual-jet petrol engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual, gearbox, and an AMT automatic transmission. The engine is refined, making city driving effortless while remaining comfortable for highway journeys. Safety. Maruti has significantly improved the safety package. The facelift offers 6 airbags in higher variants, electronic stability program, ESP, hill hold assist, ABS with EBD, BISO fixed child seat mounts, rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera. These upgrades make the Baleno a much safer option than its predecessor. Mileage. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Baleno's biggest strengths. The manual variant delivers around 22 km/h, while the AMT version offers approximately 22.9 km/h under standard test conditions, making it an economical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Pricing and rivals. The Baleno competes with the Hyundai i20, Tata Altroz, and Toyota Glanza. With its balance of premium features, fuel efficiency, wide service network, and competitive pricing, it continues to be one of the strongest contenders in the premium hatchback segment. Verdict. The Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift successfully combines stylish design, a feature-packed interior, improved safety, refined performance, and excellent fuel economy. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and value-for-money premium hatchback, the Baleno remains one of the best choices in its category. Outro. So what do you think about the Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift? Is it your favorite premium?